Hey, we testing 1 2. We are live. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Market is open. Hang on, let me. Very choppy. Man, what a choppy overnight session. I haven't had that was about as worse of an overnight session I've seen in a long time. It was that was not a great overnight session. Hey, okay, Fred Yeager, good morning. Best Guest Trading, good morning. Jim O, good morning. Jake Dell, Darren Koss, Terry W, Citizen Zero, Scottish Futures Trader, Sam Owen, the 5-Minute Shark, Jack Wiley, Mark Brandt, Peter, good morning. Tanush, good morning. Black Coffee Trader in the house, good morning. Bruce Lee, Traderess Chick in the house, good morning, Traderess Chick, how we doing? Will Grimmer, Scratch Your Itch Trading, John King, Grant Thompson Trades. All right, everybody, good luck today. I hope we all have a green day. Let's all have a green day and be friends. All right, market the overnight session was, ugh. I got chopped to pieces in the overnight session. Should have just not even tried to trade it, honestly. But I did. I tried, and I was down 200. I was up 200, and now I'm basically break even. Dow Jones blasting the new highs. Interesting. Good morning, Cly. Golf Guy Mike. Krista R. Good morning. G-Fuzz. I don't the 5-minute chart. Oh. All right, market. We can't even do something here at the open. What is going on? Honestly, all the overnight session, I was bearish. I was pretty biased to the downside and just got chopped to pieces. Feel like I should have had a decent overnight session. If I would have just held my trades in drawdown a little bit more in the overnight session, I would have been able to lock in, but just was not able to do it. Oh no, your ninja is frozen. Uh-oh. Micro player, Matty Matt, good morning. JB, good. Is it afternoon for you? Okay, good afternoon. I'm still sipping my coffee here. Yeah, those Lucid accounts don't look too happy. I know. The great downfall of my Lucid accounts the last 3 days have just been terrible. Terrible. I tell you, terrible. I don't know. It is what it is. I'm not going to be too down on my Lucid accounts because we have done really, really well with Lucid. Now, this account that we're down 2,200, I'm still trading that today. That account is still tradable, and it seems like it's down a lot maybe, but when you're trading if you're trading 5 minis, it's really not that bad. Couple good trades, and those are back green. Stop selling dreams. Yes, I will try and do better. I took all night to think about how I'm selling dreams. I felt terrible. I feel terrible. I want to publicly apologize to everyone in the chat for selling dreams. I do apologize. This is terrible. I don't know. I think I'm definitely biased a little bit to the downside, but kind of what I'm looking for today is, hang on, let me zoom out here. Look at the 15-minute chart. So we have the 980s, 975s here at the overnight level. This is pretty important. I do think we take out this level. Honestly, I would love to see a pullback back into like the 920s. I don't know. I want to see a little bit more of a pullback. If we start to see a bounce, if we see a good bounce here, the 975s, I might take a stab at it. We are going to be trading our Apex accounts. Hopefully, it's going to depend a little bit how it goes today with these Apex accounts. I'm not going to be too overly aggressive in the New York session. If I really want to get these to a payout, but today might not be the day to do it, depending on what this market does. All right, 975 is getting tested. You might see me take some trades on these Lucid accounts. I'm probably going to be scalping. That was a scalp bounce off the 975s. Let's see if this 975 holds. Nicholas. Hey, Green Grape, how we doing? As long as people keep trying to call tops, it's going to keep melting up. It might. You could be totally right. I do think we keep going higher, but I would love to see a little more pullback. Like, I'd love to see us test the 920s. So the problem with that is if we now bounce off this 975 level, and if we just rip this to new highs, I'm going to totally get FOMO. And this is where we can get a bounce right off that 975 level. So let's just but I'm not going to look for these any big runners. I don't think. The overnight session was so choppy, and I kind of expected to be the same in the New York session, but let's wait and see. Yeah, look at this pump right back up, 985s, 988s. Let's see, is this just going to rip straight back up to new highs? Like right here is kind of where I would look at getting short if this is going to give another leg lower. I might do it here on these Lucid accounts. We're going to scalp it. I don't like it. Retested the 990s, now pulling back. Yikes. Yeah, okay, so this thing is... At 990 level was a nice short. Now are we going to make new lows? That's the question. If we make new lows here, then I do feel pretty good about the 920s, but if we don't make new lows here and we get back above the 990s, I'm going to probably take a long above the 990s if we don't make new lows and look to just look for a retest of the 10s here, I think. Here we go, new lows. There she goes. There's that dump. All right, down below the 965s. Man, I should have taken that short. Man, hey, good morning, Niles. Jay. Yes, I think Powell and Trump are talking today. If I saw correctly. Wow, look at that dump. 955s. Oh. Man, I should have held that. Oh. I get so nervous when I trade the open. $9.50s. Oh man, this thing is getting a nice pullback here. All right, if we get a push back up and make new lows, I'm gonna kind of look to trade this to the downside. Yeah, we're just continuing lower here, down below the 445s now. If we get a bounce here, I'm tempted. Nope. It looks like he wants to keep going. 945s. Man, that 920 is starting to look real good. Can it go? Looks like we're trying to get a bounce here. Do I want to try a long here? Ugh. Yeah, there it goes. 960s now. Do we have new? Yes, we do have news in 20 seconds. News in 20 seconds, guys. Thank you, Niles. Thank you, Black Coffee. Hey, Mr. Wall Street. Good morning. Ace Undercover, good morning. Design Knob, John, good morning, good morning. Joom is here. Covered most of my shorts when you went short. Let's go, John. We make a great team. All right, news is out. News didn't do a whole lot, so man, this looks kind of like it wants to pump a little bit. I do like that 920 level though. Come on. I guess it doesn't hurt to just wait. Doesn't hurt to wait. It sometimes hurts to wait. ES is more bullish. Hey, how we doing, Mike? One micro trader, good to see you. All right, I mean, this 945 now getting a nice pump up to the 970s, 965s. If we come back up to the 970s, man, it's tempting to go short. Look for a move down to the 920s. Do we want to do it? Those are some pretty long wicks here. Really interesting. When let me look. When is actually Trump talking? What are we doing, market? Can't seem to get momentum going to the upside, but we're also not really making new lows, so not sure what to think. We got to make new lows here. If we do, doesn't look like we want to do it. Hey, Sharoos. Good morning, Sharoos. Trump speaking in 3 minutes. Oh, yikes. That's a problem, potential problem there. What is Trump going to be talking about? All right, now trying to get that rip. Right here at the 970s, kind of where it's really tempting me to go short. Might have to. Do I want to do it? Man, I should have just shorted there in the 970s. I'm being hesitant. These Apex accounts are getting close to a payout, and I can definitely feel myself getting hesitant. I really want this to make new lows. Come on. Go make new lows. Just doesn't want to do it. Maybe need to kill this. Give me new lows. Come on. Dump it. Give me the 920s. There we go. Did not make a new low, though. Did not actually make a new low, so Yikes. All right, I might just... Very choppy this morning. Hey, Stephen Arthur, Leon, good morning. Bella, good morning. Kevin, Tobias, good morning. We just cannot seem to make new lows right now. These 945s definitely are putting up a fight. All right, I'm going to look to re-enter if we get an opportunity here on... I'm mainly trading my Lucid account this morning. Look at all those wicks, though. It looks so tasty for a short. Hmm. Hey, good morning, Dabda. Today's the type of day where you get long and hold. Oh, really, Green Grape? I don't know. I feel like today could get very choppy. I don't know. I'm just going to wait a little bit. It does start to feel like this 945 wants to be the low of... This 945 wants to hold, so... We might need to start looking at a potential longs. I don't know. Basically, John. Yes, Design Knob. One important thing we have to always be very aware of. Market only goes up. We got to remember that. By the way, we now have 6 funding ticks funded accounts and take profit trader account. I don't know. Right now, I might actually not trade those accounts for... I don't know why. I don't know. I got to mentally be ready. Right now, I'm trying to focus on these Apex accounts, trying to get these to a payout. If we can make $500 on these Apex accounts today, we can submit for a payout tonight. So, sounds like a good time to me. If we make it up to the 976s, I might take another shot at this. All right, taking another stab at it. Come on, just dump. All right, I'll take that. Put the take profit trader accounts in the basement and lock the door, walk away. Hey, Gary B. Look forward to seeing those take profit traders going green. I hope. Hey, good luck, John. I don't know if you saw or not, but I went short too, so I don't know what that means. But I'm already out. I already took my profit. Probably should have held. This looks like a good short if we can make new lows. If we can make new lows here, I really like the 920s. Man, I should have held. I'm such a you-know-what sometimes. Okay, we got to make new lows here. Got to make new lows right here. Hey, Tick Hound, good morning. There she goes, new lows. Now, can we get a continuation here? 940s. 935, 938s just breached the 940s there. I should have held. I'm such an idiot. It is, John. It's hard to hold shorts for me. Every time I see a little pump higher, I get scared. I keep getting flashbacks of 50-point green candles. Wow, look at that. 950s. Yeah, now this looks a little concerning, but I might take... All right, I am going to try to hold here. Sorry, guys. I'm trading my Lucid accounts on my other screen. Actually, can I change my screen for you guys? Actually, I can. Let me rearrange some things here. Gotta move this thing down. Now you guys can see my trade that way. All right, if we don't, I might get out here if this thing doesn't get some kind of continuation. So hard for me to keep conviction on these shorts. Just don't have much conviction on these shorts. All right, I'll try to just switch between screens. If I go in my, I'll just switch. I'm going to wait, and just in case. I mean, I do think the 920 is going to be a good number, but for now, we wait. Trump speaking at the United Nations General Assembly. Oh, I see. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. And there she goes. 935s. Every time I take profit, it keeps going. Really need to have more conviction to the downside sometimes. It's just hard. It's just hard sometimes. All right, if we make a move back above this, I'm going to... If we make a move back above the 948s here, I'll be in. Nice trade, John. Nicely done. Nicely done. $300 green Amakre. That's awesome. I wish, man, I was hoping I was really hoping for an easy overnight session where I could just get my Apex accounts, $500 in profit, lock the accounts, request a payout tonight. Oh, I had such visions, but it wasn't easy. It's not going to be easy. All right, I'm going to cancel this. This is not looking like it's going to... All right, we continue lower, testing the 930s now. We're going to hit that 920, and I'm going to be like, why did I not just take my trade that I literally called out all the way up here? I do that so many times, it's actually insane. So much easier to call out a move than it is to trade it. All right, 930s. And I might take a long here. Hey, let's go. All right, caught that little pump up above the 945s. You like the 853s, 888s? Good to know, Wall Street. See, this is a good example of like showing. I don't want to go back to I don't want to rehash this, but that is how I appreciate people sharing their levels. That's how I like to see it. Man, we had a pump and just immediately back down. Just no follow through on these moves higher, it seems like, which is concerning. I mean, for the bulls, very concerning. And the thing, I mean, it wouldn't be the worst thing if we could see a little bit of a pullback in the next couple days. So Will Grimmer, yeah, I'm looking on okay, so I don't know. I mean, I think I shared this with you guys. Yeah, I did. I think I did. But this is the Lucid account. This Lucid account is the Lucid account. Like I want to be like at 190,000, basically like $40,000 to $43,000 in profit overall before I request my final and sixth payout with Lucid. So I'm not going to buy any new accounts. I'm going to focus on this account and growing it. Basically, my goal is to get like $4,000 profit per day. If I can do that, obviously we're not going to be able to do it every day, but basically I'm just going to look to grow that account. And this account here, I'm just looking for like $600 a day. And we have one payout on this account. So now we just need $600 days for 8 days in a row, and then we can request another payout. So, but before I request my sixth payout, I will make sure I have 5 funded accounts. All right, market trying to make a move higher here. It's trying. Man, this is where it's so tempting to jump in here. This is where I just got to be patient because I'm very tempted to jump in long here. This is where it helps me. Like, and this is kind of how I trade the overnight session. Like the accounts that I'm a little more cautious on, like I won't take this, but here I might take this long on Lucid. Where I wouldn't take it on Apex, but just being a little more aggressive. Let's see if we can't get up and retest like the 960s. Fill me. Let's go. All right, we're battling back on this Lucid account. I think we were down, what were we? Down 2,700 at the start of the session. Now, are we just going to pull right back down? Hey, RXHX is in the building. Good to see you. It is quick and easy scalps. Quick and easy scalps. Hey, Black Beauty Machine. Good to see you. Good morning. Sorry. Quote from Nutty Bar. Trailing stop loss is the dumbest invention ever. I think I did say that yesterday. I still stand by that. Okay, market retesting, trying to retest that EMA. Can we get back above that 965 area? It is starting to feeling a little bit bullish here. But let's wait. This is where I don't really want to be buying, because this would be the area where we would roll over and make new lows if we want to do that. And back down we come. Wow. Man, if we retest this 945, I feel like this could be a trap for the shorts. Got to be careful here. Come on, market. Hoping to get a trap here, but no. Just scalping here. When is Trump going to talk? Is Trump actually talking? Oh, is that him? Uh-oh. Trump is talking with no teleprompter? Oh, this is must-see TV. All right, let's maybe not trade while Trump is talking. Okay, he's on. Okay. Thank you. Market pumping. It does look like he has a script that he's reading from, though. Yeah, I know, Leon. That's, we all know. How long is he going to talk? Man, this is very choppy now all of a sudden. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Oh, really, Matty Matt? You had issues with it? Gosh, dude, I want to take this short. Might have to. Why did I do this on when Trump was talking? Can't do it. 955. If we get back above that 960, then that was a short trap right there. 960s. Man, I'm tempted to try it here. Previous speaker was 20 minutes, so I'm assuming you're assuming he will be the same. Oh man. Hey, Alpine Trader in the building. Good morning, Alpine. How's your how are you feeling? You need to, Alpine, I'm dead serious. You need to take very good care of yourself so that when I get to Florida that we can go golfing. I don't want you on the IR. All right? You have about 6 weeks or so to get healed. Need to get you healed up. Yeah, Leon, but that could change. And do I want to try a short again here? But if I don't golf, then we're going to be hiking in the woods, not playing. It's tough to sit up. Need to get you like in one of those hyperbaric chambers to sleep in to get you healed faster. Man, this market is very choppy right now. Okay, market. We're barcoding. Literally barcoding. Crazy. Oh, yeah. If you're trying to pass evals, it's not good. Oh, by the way, guys. By the way, I have some very, very sad news to report. Very sad news to report. We no longer have our Top Step accounts. I'm sad. I lost it. I mean, I only had like $600 drawdown left. And then I got chopped up in the overnight session. My biggest mistake was Friday. Friday afternoon, I took a big L. Had like a $2,000 loss on Friday, like literally right at the close, and got completely destroyed at the close on Friday. And then Monday, yesterday or Sunday evening, just didn't go any better. And then, yeah, I don't know what I want to do because, I mean, hey, I still got a $15,000 payout, so I'm not upset at all. I'm not upset, and we're officially green with Top Step now on the year, so I like it. Now I'm just trying to prevent myself from I want to take more money from them. I really do. But at the same time, I mean, it's not a big, I don't know. I'm probably not going to use them again. I just wanted to make sure that I'm green with Top Step on the year. And no, we are not, I can't do back to funded because I got a payout. They don't allow you to do back to funded if you got a payout. Wah, wah. Now, I did see that. I mean, I'm just going to focus on Take Profit Trader. And I really, I'm trying to get my mindset changed with Take Profit Trader, funding ticks, and trade day. Like, I need to just change my mindset. It's that simple. I thought about it last night a lot. And the number one thing that I think is the problem, like if I just look at it, that, hey, $400 to $500 a day is my goal, and that's it. Once I hit $400 or $500 a day, we walk away. And I'm going to force myself not to get greedy. And I think I'm actually going to use Quant Tower or Quant Guard I'm going to use Quant Guard, and I'm going to use it to lock my profit. So I'm going to set like a profit target for my take profit and my trade. Well, not trade day until I've got it actually funded, but that is where I trade by far the best. Like it is, if I look at my prop firm journey, it isn't even close. Like it is so clear to me where I trade the best that I don't know why I don't do this. I mean, I know why I couldn't do it earlier, but base hits $400 to $500 a day, and then walking away is how I get all my payouts. I mean, it's just that simple. So I just got to be willing to walk away. And that's always been the issue with, it's always been the issue with my take profit trader accounts. I'm up $500-600 on the day, and then I get greedy and I try to make more money. I'm just never content with the profit I have, because I know there's no consistency. So in my mind, I'm always thinking I should make more. And it is the downfall every single time. So I'm just going to lock in profits. It is what it is. Are the majority of winners 400 to 500 during? No. So most of my targets are like $1 to $150, like $100 to $150. I don't really. Yeah, most of my trades are like 100, 150, maybe $200, but yeah, that's kind of what I aim for in the overnight session. I have gotten bigger profit, obviously, but on average. If I look at my statistics, my average profit is $143. Man, is this market terrible right now? Man, is this ever choppy? It's crazy. Are they during the overnight? Yes. I mean, I would say, like, yes, right now, a majority of my profit does come from the overnight. Not always, but I would say, like, a large part of it for sure. Hey, we're getting that move lower now. Can we make new lows? Can we make new lows? Oh, I gotta remember. Let's see what make new lows. What's the thing on the top right corner you are using? Top right. This is my account dashboard. This is account dashboard with affordable indicators is what that is. And you can do that with affordable indicators. You can do that. Man, we just can't seem to make new lows right now. We cannot seem to make new lows. You sell 1 second before the dump. That does feel great. What times do I trade overnight? Usually anywhere from like 7:45 to 8 o'clock till around 11:30. And then if I trade in the morning, I usually try to get up around 3:30. And then usually I trade until about 5:30. It depends. Yeah, Alpine, the ORB. Yeah, this morning it was very choppy on the open, very choppy. What copy trader do I use? I use the Replicanto copy trader. I've found that to be the most reliable one. Wow, look at that. Right back up. Now this is annoying to trade. Not command the market to move. No, it doesn't listen to me. But if I go in a trade, it'll go opposite. So that's one way we could get it to move. We could YOLO 15 contracts long with our take profit trader accounts. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. You just have to trade the range, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it's true. True. I'm not going to do it, though. RXHA, you just want to watch the world burn. I am not doing that. Oh! Oh! And we go back down. Man, this is getting annoying. I might take a trade here out of boredom. I think we do go higher. Come on, market. Let's see a break. Break out now. Doesn't want to do it. Is Trump still talking? All right, I mean, I might kill this thing. It's annoying. Probably should not be trying to predict a breakout here. But I just feel like this is going to go. We got to rip it here. Come on. Might be cooked. What a chop fest. Man, this is so bad. Really should not have even entered here. It's like it's just asking for trouble. And the reason I kind of like it is because we failed to make new lows here. And now I'm hoping we go up and at least retest like the 970s is what I'm hoping. But this might continue chop back and forth before we actually make a move. Yeah, this is we kind of had a hint in the overnight price action was very choppy. We did have a pretty clean move to the downside this morning, but now we're just completely stuck here between the 950s and the 940s. Not good. I might get stopped here. Rip. Oh, come on. Come on, man. You're killing me. All right, maybe we break out now. Come on, go. Go. Gee. This is so bad. So bad. So bad. No, I'm long. Oh, sorry, I'm showing the wrong screen. Hang on. I thought I was... No, I'm long here. Should have waited on an entry. My stop is at the 945s. Target 970s. Trying to get a breakout. But we cannot seem to get anything going here. Cannot seem to get anything going. I mean, it's kind of tempting just to kill this, but I'm trying to see if we can't get that move. Come on. Rip it! Rip it! Do it! Come on, market. You can do it. It can't. It just can't do it. It cannot do it. You want to get stopped here. It's failed now 3 different times. We're going to have to make... We might need to sweep the lows before this can go. Oh, this is so painful. Maybe. Come on, now go. It is so stagnant. Just can't seem to go. Rip it. Now do it. Come on, man. Gotta be kidding me. Ah. This is just horrible. Is the market rate 900, 208? Oh. Yeah, this is so bad. This is just so bad. Well, do I just kill this? I shouldn't even be trading this. This is annoying. I give up. I'm just getting out. It's not worth my mental capital for this. This is so bad. We have been chopping in this range since 945. Crazy. Yeah, you know a move is coming. Honestly, I think the first move breakout we see is going to be the fake out. I think if we see a wick up through the 965s, I think then we'll see a continuation to the downside. If we see a big rip lower, then I think, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, but it's going to do something here soon. It's going to happen. Exactly. This is crazy, Alpine. I don't get it. I think the reason it's happening is they just want to see people suffer. They like seeing blood on the streets. Oh, and look at that. Getting that breakout, of course, now that I'm out. Oh, man, it's going to be one of them days where it's, wow. Wow. Wow, look at that. You little rascal, you. What a piece of work. Unreal. Unbelievable. Of course. Bismoto, yeah, very much so. Yep, Melvin Bryan. That's how it works here. Soon as I close my long, boom, new highs. Rip the new rip higher. Go figure. But this does look like an actual breakout. So I might look for an entry here. If we retest like the 65s here, well, don't let me down, market. I'm going to actually lose it here if you just go continue lower. I want to see this thing rip higher very quickly here. I'm starting to get scared. No comment. No comment. Unbelievable. I hate this market. Are you serious? Ah, why did I? Why? I should have. Insane. Actually insane. It literally happened. It was a trap. It was a trap. Or was it? Right back in the chop. Right back in the range. Goodness. Spare me, markets. Honestly, I'm just happy I'm not trading my Apex accounts right now. I'm okay. I'm okay if we take a loss on Lucid, on this Lucid account where we're on our 6th payout. I don't mind. If there is a one account I don't mind losing, it would be this account. Not that I want to lose it, but I either want to lose the account or I want to get it to like 193,000 in profit. Those are the two options before I request my next payout. Now, I mean, are we really just going to dump this? Or is this just going to go right back to chopping back and forth? This is crazy. Consistent trader, did you get that amount in trade day evals and overnight? It was so choppy. Yeah, I did, consistent trader. I kind of got lucky, honestly. I got this where was the overnight session? Right here. So I bought the double bottom right here. I think it was one of these, and I went in with four minis. So I'm happy with my trade day. I'm totally happy with that, and we're gonna leave it. It's going to chop all day, Niles. If this is going to chop all day, then I don't care. I don't want to go home. I'm not going to be here for too long today. I am not going to be here for too long today. If this is how it's going to be. All right, I might try along here. Or not. Maybe not. This is... I'm not touching it. Let's not touch this thing. Hey, it actually might chop all day, for real. Yeah, I mean, consistent trader. Last night was difficult trading. That was not ideal. I've just found in the overnight session, it seems like it's less wicky, I would say. Like it has a little cleaner moves with the trend. Is kind of what I felt, or I feel like for the most part. Now, last night was not a good example of that, but then obviously keep in mind of the prior day high, prior day lows. Oh, market. Why are you like this sometimes? I mean, it's, I don't know, tempting to go long here, but yeah, we are kind of bouncing here at the 15-minute opening range low. Yeah, Mr. Wall Street, I saw that Asmongold, that his dad passed away. I did see that. All right, market. I don't know what to do here. This is going to act like this. I don't got all day. I need to leave here in about 45 minutes. I need to leave. I don't got all day. We are it is our anniversary today, if you didn't for those that remembered. 15 years. 15 years. This is not exactly what I had envisioned. Yes, rest in peace, Asmund Papa. Agree. I need to leave. I'm leaving at literally noon. Wow, this is now going lower. Just don't know what to expect here. I have no idea. Feel like I probably shouldn't trade this. Yeah, and it's almost 11 o'clock. Hey, Undercover, thank you. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. It's actually crazy. We were looking back at our wedding photos. We were looking back at our wedding photos, and it is actually crazy. Crazy, man. We look so young, and it's so different. Give a shout out to my boy Lou. Hey, Lou, how's it going? Yeah. You know, if I end stream, guys, right? You know that if I end stream, this will definitely go, this will break out 100%. Going to torture your wife with a Ben and Rose concert? You know, John, it's not that, but that is actually a good idea. She would have liked it. She would have liked that. Yeah, we're going to Wendy's. We're going to Wendy's. Love to see it. Lots of love. Yeah, Asmongold was very tight with his dad. Very tight with his dad. Man, this looks like it wants to go now. All right, I'm going to do it. Please don't fake out here, market, for once. I'm asking for trouble here, but don't. As soon as I got in, we just stalled. Completely stalled. All right, pump it. Give me a nice trade here. Come on, right back up to the 970s. Keep going. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen again. I'm sorry. Just can't do it. Can we please get above the 960s here and keep going now? Please. Please, no, don't go back down. Oh, come on. This is so insane. Don't buy the middle. It is very true. Don't diddle in the middle. I give up. Honestly, give up. You have got to be kidding me. This is infuriating. Come on. Yeah, I give up. Just no continuation. Feel like this is where I should buy. Unbelievable. That's upsetting. When is Powell talking? Timbo, when is that happening? I need a barcode scanner to see where this is going. That's true. All right, I might actually call it here very early. I was going to stream a little bit more than this, but honestly, I am not really in the mood. This is insane. You know, as soon as I end stream, this is going to rip one way or the other. It is going to happen. Guaranteed. But I can't stream much longer anyway. I'm gonna go enjoy the day, and I'm gonna go enjoy the day. We're gonna enjoy our anniversary. It's gonna be a great evening. Looking forward to it. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. I know it's a short stream, but it is what it is. This is so bad. All right, guys. I hope you guys are having better luck than I am. Take care. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. We'll be back in the morning. Take care, and God bless.